The European Demolition Association, EDA, produces an industry report to collect relevant and specific data about the demolition industry in Europe. 2015 was the year of the first report made by the association, and years later, it has become a very useful publication for the industry. The study is made with first-hand data from specialized contractors and suppliers all over Europe, and it provides an overview of the industry. It contains information about the activity of the demolition specialists in Europe regarding themes such as the turnover, the workforce, investment, evolution of the industry, and more. The industry report is available at the EDA website. Visit the link below to discover more about this publication.